sprinkling. There's house for sale here. Interested? We are. It's probably like it's probably like almost $1 million. It's a 2-story big house. Probably $1 million US dollar. Yeah. Actually, my phone is just, it looks brighter, but it is dark here. Hopefully I catch a deer today, or I see a deer today. It's 4:30. What time is it?
4:40.
16:37. Hello, si Anjing Fee. We're just walking. Hope I don't drop this phone. I forgot to bring that tripod. Oh, you are? Wow. We haven't seen deer for how many days? 4 or 5 days? We haven't been walking because it's been so rainy, you know. It's actually sprinkling now, but
No, it's just so cold.
see, that's what the sky. It's full of cloud and sprinkling. Hello, Janella. Say hi to Ichay.
Hi, Ichay. Kumusta?
There.
Mabuti. Ikaw.
Say, kumusta ka?
Kumusta ka? Pretty good. I've almost learned Tagalog.
Yeah.
What's the difference between kumusta and kumusta ka?
Hello, Tito Ward. I'm good. How are you? Ah. All this Christmas decor. So pretty. Show you Christmas. Big boats. That's the one that you saw, Caps, the boat, the other day, where that dog was. That dog's name, Cleo. Got loose again today, and he came out and got him. I don't know, it's a him or a her, I don't know. This is my daughter's cell phone channel, which I said.
This is our house. For the road to our house.
Wow, look at all that decor. Looks really nice. Show you. How cool is that, huh?
The decoration?
They went overboard on that one. They always do every year, actually. See? It's just that it's so much work to do that. I don't do that stuff anymore. It's too much work. See? Yep. Way too much work. Okay, wait. Maybe I'll do